is AI. All the way from manufacturing, major looks to boost OPS. Top companies in the India manufacturing space like Maruti Suzuki, Apollo Tyres, Godrej, Saint Gobain are going the whole hog adopting artificial intelligence AI in their day-to-day operations. Artificial intelligence has not only helped their companies and reduces the cost but also increases the efficiency and reduction workplace incidents. For instance, Apollo Tyres has achieved 8 to 10% efficiency gains by using the data along with the artificial intelligence in the tire compound mixing process. Given the initial success, several other projects have been initiated to digitalize over production plants using extensive data and data science, said in the chief digital and supply chain of the ISM Hassin. The tire maker is now working on improving its scale forcing by using artificial intelligence to check whether the condition of exchange rates, etc. This will allow us to provide much better availability of stock at a lower working capital. Apollo Tyres has connected most key products machines to the cloud using Internet of Things IoT technologies. It has created a data lake, is currently streaming more than 1500 data elements, is nearly real time to the cloud driven machine. Efficiency flagship companies of the Godrej Group is working on implementation of artificial intelligence powered by the digital twins of the customers, products, process and employees. The digital twins will help in making simulations to operators to gain efficiency and reduce margin of error and cost. Godrej and Boys is on a transformative journey, artificial intelligence to optimize every aspects of our business. Going forward, for all new products lines, the glass maker intend to use machines that come with credential edge device. An edge device is an endpoint on network which is an interface between the data center and the real world. The number of fingers injuries machine at Saint Gobain have also reduced with the use of artificial intelligence enabled machines and devices. Digitalizations and automations of focus area for Maruti Suzuki, said its spokesperson. It has set up a dedicated digital enterprises vertical to extend map areas where it is used.